Starting out for Marcus, I got one box of 2015 Panini Prizm Baseball. Like I said, we're going to go through these pretty quick, so we'll make sure we get everybody's in today. Good luck, Marcus. Thanks for the order, guys. Make sure to join us tonight. We'll be breaking late into the night, so make sure you're here. We're going to be giving away some cool stuff. We're going to have some good stuff, good low prices on stuff. Goldschmidt, fresh faces rookie Brandon Finnegan. Ooh, nice auto right here, right off the bat. Luis Cervanio for the New York Yankees. David Ortiz field pass. Cole Hamels, Brett Gardner, excuse me. Mookie Betts, Max Scherzer, rookie card Anthony Rondano. Neil Walker, red Prizm for the Pirates. Out of 125, 48 of 125. Can't stand Prizm. I can barely see those numbers. Santana and Arsmarni Alcantara. Tanaka, Justin Verlander, Reimer Liriano rookie card, Dustin Pedroia, Bartolo Colon, Joey Votto. Yeah, not a bad first hit at all. Kirby Puckett, Xavier Bogaerts, Jackie Bradley Jr. on the Passion. Little insert right there. Ken Griffey Jr., Andrew Cashner, James Loney. Chen, Todd Frazier, fresh faces, Jung Ho Kang for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Kyle Seager, Adrian Beltre, Iwakawa right there for the Mariners. Sonny Gray, Ryan Braun, Yorman Rodriguez rookie card. Danny Santana, Salvador Perez, Freddie Freeman. Patrick Corbin, Mike Zunio, rookie card Michael Taylor for the Nationals. Diamond Marshall's Buster Posey for the Giants. I know they hurt my boy Jung Ho. Hosmer and Pfister. Shoemaker, George Springer, USA Baseball. That's pretty cool. Auto right here, I believe. Yeah, Reimer Liriano out of 125. Reimer Liriano rookie card auto for the Padres. James Loney out of 199. The Devil Rays. Morse and Keuchel. Mark Trumbo, Justin Upton, Kenys Vargas. Chris Davis, Melvin Upton, Chris Carter. Marcelo Zuna, Gary Brown rookie card. Passion Ichiro for the New York Yankees. Fireworks Miggy Cabrera. David Wright, Billy Hamilton. Matt Kemp, Tony Gwynn. Fresh faces rookie Dalton Pompey for the Blue Jays. Charlie Blackmon, blue parallel out of 75 for the Rockies. Cliff Lee, Anthony Rizzo. Frank Thomas, Randy Johnson. Rookie card Rusney Castillo for the Red Sox. Brett Gardner, Gomez, and Alex Cobb. There we are. Not a bad box at all. Thanks for the order, Marcus. We'll get this shipped out to you.